there. I was like, where the hell's the sign? Look at that car right there, man. Just totally. And there was like a big dump truck overturned over there. Let's go to the right, see what's there. I haven't been this way. Like I said, I have never in my life seen anything like this. Look at this, man.
Yeah, we've had just tons and tons and tons of people driving by.
That's gotta piss you off. That's a dropping $20 bills at your door. Whoa, what's this bent up? Oh, those are the power thingies, huh? Wow.
Go up here to Alabama and make a left.
I don't even know where Alabama is.
It says, I'll show you, it's just right up here, less than a mile.
Yeah, it said Sanibel. Oh, look, that house there was spared or whatever. There's a barn.
How long does that record for at a time?
Oh, a long period of time. Why? You went to your house?
I'm just used to, yeah, let's,
It's a HD, man.
I'm just used to them only